Hello students, in today's module we will be reading about communicable diseases. In this chapter we will learn about communicable and non-communicable diseases, about microorganisms and how diseases are spread. Children, as you may have noticed that whenever your friend or your neighbor get some cold, fever, flu, your mother must be asked you to stay at home or stay away from them. Why? Because this is because there are some diseases which are transferred from an infected person to a healthy person by physical contact. These diseases are called communicable diseases. For example, influenza, measles, malaria, etc. Communicable diseases are also known as infectious diseases or transmissible diseases because कुछ डिजीजेस ऐसी होती हैं जो फिजिकल कांटेक्ट पे आने पर इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से हेल्दी पर्सन पे चली जाती है. आपने देखा ना, अगर किसी को कोल्ड है तो सबको कोल्ड हो जाता है घर में. सो दीज आर द डिजीजेस विच आर कॉल्ड एज कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस और इनका दूसरा नाम है इन्फेक्शियस और ट्रांसमिसिबल डिजीजेस. ओके, the diseases which don't spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called non-communicable diseases. They may be caused by deficiency of some nutrients like deficiency of vitamin A, which causes night blindness. They can also be caused by bad habits of drinking alcohol and smoking. तो नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस कौन सी होती हैं? जो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन तक नहीं फैलती हैं. दैट टाइप ऑफ डिजीजेस आर कॉल्ड एज नॉन कम्युनिकेबल. वो किसी डेफिशिएंसी के कारण हमारी बॉडी में हो जाता है. जैसे अगर विटामिन ए की कमी हो जाती है तो नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस हो जाता है, या फिर कोई बैड हैबिट्स जैसे ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल, स्मोकिंग, विच आर नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ, जो लोग वो करते हैं उन्हें कुछ डिजीजेस होती हैं. नाउ वी विल बी रीडिंग अबाउट communicable diseases. So how are communicable diseases caused? Communicable diseases are caused by various kinds of germs. Disease causing germs are present everywhere in our surroundings. A person is likely to get infected by germs when the germs enter the body by direct physical contact with an infected person, using articles of the infected person, through infected food and water, through insects like mosquitoes and houseflies. Now, these are the ways by which communicable diseases spread. Diseases spread by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes spread malaria. A mosquito has three basic body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. The head consists of a pair of eyes, antenna to sense, and the mouth parts called the pelvis, and a long sucking tube which helps it to suck blood from the human being. Now, मॉस्किटो जो है वो आपका मलेरिया फैलाता है. मॉस्किटो की बॉडी 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है: हेड, थॉरैक्स एंड एब्डोमेन. ठीक, हेड में आईज होती हैं, एंटीना होता है जो सेंस करता है वेयर इट्स फूड इज देयर, एंड द माउथ विच इज कॉल्ड एज पैल्पस एंड सकिंग ट्यूब होती है टू सक द ब्लड. The average mosquito lifespan is less than 2 months. Males usually live for 10 days or less, and females can live around 6 to 8 weeks under ideal conditions. Malaria is spread through the bite of the Anopheles mosquito. Now, this is the name of the mosquito which spread the malaria. When a mosquito bites a person with malaria, It sucks the germs along with the blood. These germs grow in the body of mosquito in 7 to 10 days. This period is known as incubation period. When these mosquitoes bite a healthy person, the germs enter into the bloodstream of that person. This is how malaria spreads. Now, how can we control malaria? Water should not be allowed to collect near the house. Stagnant water serves as a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Using a mosquito net in areas with stagnant water sources such as lakes or non running streams, as these places are especially prone to mosquitoes. By wearing long trousers and shirt with sleeves, we can reduce the chance of getting infected. Spraying insecticides like DDT in and around the house, using anti-malaria drugs like chloroquine. Infected persons should be kept in isolation. Now, moving to diseases spread by house flies. House flies do not bite, but are carrier of germs such as bacteria, virus, protozoa, and worms. They lay eggs on the garbage, feces, and other dirty places. Germs stick to their hairy leg and other parts of their body. Now, how diseases are spread by houseflies? Houseflies जो होती हैं वो काटती नहीं हैं, but they carry the germs. ठीक है. And when they sit on the food item, they transfer those germs to the food. A person who eats that contaminated food falls ill. Some of the dangerous diseases spread by house flies are cholera, typhoid and diarrhea. बेसिकली क्या होता है जब हाउस फ्लाइज हमारे फूड में बैठती है जो कवर्ड नहीं होता है वहाँ पे जर्म्स छोड़ देती है और जब वो फूड हम लोग खाते हैं तो हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. This is the life cycle of housefly. You can see it here. This is egg, first larval stage, second stage, third, then pupa is converted, and finally it becomes an adult housefly. Clear? Okay, that's all for in this module. Thank you.